Hey Kevin.
Hey Sam.
How are you, man?
I'm great. How are you?
Amazing. Good to see you.
Good to see you too.
What brings you in today?
Actually, so I was driving down the expressway and the inevitable but the unthinkable happened. It's dark, it's night, and I hit a pothole.
Okay.
It was horrific. I felt it as soon as I hit it, and now I've got a vibration in the front of the car. I'm not sure which wheel it is.
Okay.
I'm hoping you can identify, sort it out, and make it right.
Yeah, so what we'll do is we'll lift up the car, we'll take all the wheels off, do a quick inspection, and then whichever one is bent, we'll get it done for you.
Excellent, excellent.
Where's the car at?
We actually brought the car.
Okay.
And I want to tell you why I came to Sam today. Sam, RTP Customs, they are the experts when it comes to something like this. It happens. You get a scratch on your wheel, you get a bend in the wheel. These guys can fix it. If anybody can, they can. Another thing they do is they do powder coating and painting, and they can do your brake calipers. They actually did my calipers. We can take a picture of that. They look fantastic. When I got them, they were boring black, and now they're a beautiful orange. Sam's the guy.
Thank you. I greatly appreciate it.
Let's see what we can do today.
Let's make it happen.
All right. So Sam, I do have a surprise for you I didn't tell you about. I've got a customer's wheel that's got a little bit of curb rash. Can you look at it also?
Let's see what you got.
All right.
Okay.
See, yeah.
So it's an aftermarket forged wheel.
Mm-hmm. I'm sorry, we should have washed it firsthand.
No, that's fine. So this is more of a, it's a graphite, but it's a flat finish, flat clear coat that's on it. I see pretty deep curb rash. So we're gonna have to do TIG welding to maintain the integrity. Yep, we gotta build it up to maintain the integrity of the metal.
Okay.
And then check it for any structural damage, get it straightened if it needs to be, and then from there, we'll get back a brand new wheel.
Okay, perfect. So we can leave this one as well?
Yeah, absolutely.
Fantastic.
Let's do that. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull the center cap and the valve stem out. So that way.
Make that my responsibility.
That's your responsibility.
That's
on you.
I like that. I don't know anybody else who does that.
This
so
is gonna
thank
be yours.
you. Now I'm responsible.
Absolutely.
Okay,
And
everybody knows that if this gets lost, it was Sam's fault. No, I'm just kidding.
So the real question is, how did this even happen?
A year ago, this customer sends this car to us every year. He lives out of state. A year ago, he asked me to meet him at the airport with his car so he could just turn and burn. He's flying in, grab the car, drive back. I was literally 30 seconds away from handing him the keys to the car. The phone goes off, I got distracted, and I touched the curb. I did that. And I promised him to take care of it then. He said, no worries, Kevin. He sent me the wheel. I was gonna bring it to you. And a year's gone by. And so now that the car's back here for service again, we're taking care of it.
Excellent, man. That's what I like to hear. This is what customer service is all about. We all make mistakes. We're humans.
It happens.
But it's about how do we take care of it once
Not
it's
what
done.
happens, how you handle it.
Absolutely.
For sure.
I respect that.
So we're gonna get this taken care of today.
Perfect. I'll take care of you.
Okay, so my car's 12 years old. My center cap's faded, all the paint came off of them. They're very expensive. I went and got some carbon fiber wrap and just rewrapped them to give them a nicer look. And they've been this way for about 2 years. I think it turned out really nice, and it cost about $20 versus $400. Sam, we're walking around your shop and you're showing us all the fantastic things you guys do. It's really amazing. I'm blown away how far you guys really go. But I was walking by these two machines and I realized this is a media where it actually takes the paint off or something like that. This is a big investment. Tell me about this.
Sure, absolutely. So these are vibrators.
Okay.
Where we
Don't
have
get any bad ideas. The vibrators.
Yeah, they're wheel vibrators in this case. So we take a wheel that's been powder coated. For example, these Mansory wheels that go on a Rolls Royce,
wow,
they came in fully powder coated. And we're transforming the wheel into a polished finish to give it that chrome-like shine.
Right.
From there, we're gonna brush it and we're gonna add a translucent anodized gold to kind of give it that new touch, that new aftermarket touch with OEM wheels.
Wow, so I mean, we can see this is the real deal right here. Mansory is kind of expensive stuff. So you don't want to just take this to anybody because they could actually damage the finish or make it where it's not, where you can't do what you want to do.
Correct, absolutely. The metal is extremely rough.
I see.
Rough metal, and then from there, this is not even the final product. This is about, I would say about 50% completed. We're taking raw aluminum that's been blasted and roughened up, and we're turning it into a chrome-like shine.
Wow, very cool.
It's all about the small details to transform your ride. And again, you don't have to go with aftermarket wheels. If you like the style of your wheel, bring it in, we'll customize it to your desire.
Perfect.
Yes, sir. All right, so here we are finalizing the process of preparing the McLaren wheel. As you can see, this is the front wheel that we did. Fully restored, stripped down, rebuilt using powder coat. And we brought back the rear wheel to make sure that it's matching 100% the color and the sheen. And this is the end result right here.
So Sam, I know you're gonna have this thing done by Friday, but I'm gonna tell you, we're gonna have this video done probably by the next Friday. I need you to jump on, please, just like and subscribe.
I'm already on it.
Oh, okay,
I'm a big
great.
fan. I see your videos, I see how busy you are, I see the quality work that you do. I'm a big fan.
I've got a fantastic team, as you do. It's all about one more view, so maybe you could like and subscribe.
Make it happen. If you have any damaged wheels that you're looking to repair or just wanting to change the color on your wheels or calipers, RTP Customs is the choice for you. You can check us out on YouTube and also on Instagram and Facebook.
Oh my God.